Yes. Hello, family. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabere254. If you're new here, guy, and if it's the first time, guy, to watch my video, kindly consider by subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, through share, like, and comment. Guys, you're the one who support us by subscribe to our YouTube channel through give us your support by subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome again for returning subscriber. Kindly watch the video until the end. I'm at the home right now here. This is our compound. You can see how it looks like, guys. That's the gate. We have not completing building our gates right there. You can see how it looks like. It's black in color. Right now, guys, I'm at home. This is our compound. And today's vlog, guys, I'm going to start cleaning my mom's house from here. I'm going to show you different places so that you can enjoy my video, guys. Kindly watch the video, guys, until the end. Yeah. So, guys, today we want to clean the house here, my mom's house. Yeah, Hamdan Shiki. Yeah. So today, guys, yesterday they were working here. They were putting doors. So I want to start cleaning my mom's house. Yeah, I'm just going to. I want to start from kitchen. Even right now, guys, kitchen is so dirty. So today is my job. I want to start cleaning my mom's house. So guys, keep watching, guys, until the end. Keep watching this video until the end. I know, guys, this video will be good to you. Wherever you are taking your time to watch this video, guys. Kindly watch the video, guys, until the end. Yeah, come on. So we want to start from kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we want to start from kitchen until we finish. Yeah, we want to start from kitchen because yesterday, guys, they were putting doors, and today this vlog is concerned about cleaning my mom's house. Yeah, so that's why you can see yesterday's work right here. You can see the dirty, so many dirties here. But this one, it will help for what? Yeah, for cooking. Will help us for cooking. Yeah. So these are rubbish. I'm going to take outside. Yeah, I'm done checking. Hamza here, you can say hi. Hi. Yeah. Actually, right now he want to go to school. Yeah, he's my cameraman for today. Yeah, for a few seconds, guys. For a few minutes. Yeah, that's why I want him to catch for me a camera so that I can clean faster, so that she can go back to school. Yeah. Hii chafu nitaipeleka hapa. Huyu mlango jikoni hapa pande hii. Yeah, so you can see, guys, how my mom's house looks like. In a comment section, you can comment, guys, and say what's about my mom's house looks like. Yeah, it's good in color. You can see the lock house, the lock looks. Yeah, that's how locks looks like. The lock. Yeah, that's the lock. This is my mom's house. Yeah, today it's about cleaning. Yeah, this vlog, guys, is about cleaning. From here, I will take you to another place. Guys, I'm talking to my nephew. I'm telling him that he can say hi to you before he go back to school. Yeah. We are cleaning my mom's house. This is yeah, so guys, I'm alone now, but I will manage to do my work because my nephew, he wants to go back to school. Yeah, so right now, yeah, I'm cleaning right now my mom's house. Yeah, so guys, keep watching my video until the end. From here, guys, I will take you outside because my mom, she's around. She's doing a job outside there. Even me, I'm doing my job inside here. Yeah, I will take you to him so that she can say hi to you guys. So guys, kindly keep watching until the end. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I've already finishing cleaning. I was sweeping, but I've not mopping. I've not mopped. Yeah. So, but I'm going to mop after finishing removing the dust. Yeah. This is our compound. Yeah, so guys, I've already completing finishing working inside to my mom's house, and my mom she's here. Yeah, this is my mom. Actually, I told you I will come so that she can say hi to you, mom.
Hi.
Yeah, she's my mom. Actually, what are you doing?
Na tayarisha uji wa jioni wa saa 10 wa kupeleka kwa duka. Ndio nimeanza. Sijakaa sana kwa sababu nilikuwa na mgonjwa hospitali na bado ako huko hospitali, lakini nimeona nimekaa muda mrefu biashara yangu imefungwa. Sasa ndio nimekuja nianze kidogo kidogo ndio wateja waanze tena kuzoea, maana nilikuwa nimefunga duka kwa miezi 2. Mama ni mgonjwa na bado ni mgonjwa, niko naye ninamhudumia. Ila nimekimbia leo, nimeona ngoja nije nianze kufungua watu waanze kuzoea. Ninakimbia huko, ninakuja, ninapika alafu ninaenda. Hizi ni chupa zangu, ziko chupa 3 za uji. Ndio ninataka nianzie leo. Nilikuwa nimekaa nilikuwa muda mrefu mpaka wateja wameanza kuniulizia kwa nini nimefunga biashara, lakini hawakujua kama mama yangu mzazi ni mgonjwa. Huu uji ni mtamu, ndio maana wa customer wanauliza mbona umefunga biashara, mbona hakuna uji. Uji ni mtamu, ninaroeka kwanza kwa siku 2, alafu ninaupika. Ninaupika vizuri, na unga ninasaga mara 2. Unga wa uji huu ni mnyororo kama uji wa mtoto, ndio maana customer wanapenda sana.
Yeah.
Sasa kwa leo watakunywa uji mtamu wangu, maana wameumisi sana, ninajua watafurahia. Sasa ndio nimetayarisha. Sasa nataka nimalize uende kwa duka. Nafurahi sana kwa sababu ninashukuru pia Mungu kwa sababu ameniwezesha. Nimeiona siku ya leo na nimeanza kazi yangu. Japokuwa nitakuwa naifanya tu mara moja, lakini naomba Mungu tu aponye mama, niendelee na biashara yangu vizuri. Ninawashukuru wote ambao mnaniwatch na ambao mnawatch my son Chef Matiko na Mabere 245. Mshare, mcomment, msubscribe. Asanteni wote.
Yeah, she's my beautiful mom. Actually, my yesterday video I posted. My yesterday video because I told you my mom, her mom, she's very sick, and she's the one who takes care of her. So right now, this is the porridge that she's cooking, and today we want to take to the shop so that the customer can come and buy it, because my mom have already explained what the customer wants. So guys, keep watching until the end. From here I want to take you from different places so that you can enjoy our video until the end. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so guys, I was at my mom's place, my mom's house, doing some jobs, and right now I'm heading to where we used to live, at the back. Yeah, so right now guys, I'm heading where we used to live at the back. I think guys, you know this, you have seen two main people in YouTubers at Nyabohansi YouTubers. This place, I think this place is not familiar. It's familiar to you, my people. This one actually, when we were young, we used to play here, hide and seek inside to these greens that you are seeing here. Yeah, you know this place is swampy. So right now guys, I think you can see people have planted the greens here, even scales people have planted. But when we were young guys, nobody tried to plant food inside here. I remember there's a time a person planted inside here sugarcane. At that time there were a lot of rain here. When he planted the sugarcane, rains come and take away the sugarcane. Right now guys, you can see people have planted even grass for cows, food, greens, kales. I can see kales, sugarcane. Yeah, so this place, the person that he planted inside here, the kales here, even onions, I can see onions are there. The sun is too hot. I'm recording guys, the sun is too hot. You can see onions are there. I think people they're coming here so that they can buy, so they can take to the market. From here to our market is not far guys. That's why today I decided to pass here. This is not the main road. We have the main road at the other side. So right now I'm passing here. Yeah, so you can see people, even I can see the mom there. There's a mom there, is harvesting them. Yeah, like that. So from here guys, I want to take you to where we used to live, at the back. Yeah, so guys, this is the place that we used to live, at the back. Let me say at the back. Yeah, right here. My mom's house was right here, and we used to stay in this house. Yeah, this house that you are seeing here, this was my grandma. Yeah, my grandma house. And when we grow up, my mom's house was just there, just there, and we used to stay in this house right here. But you can see inside there the blocks are inside right here on that house. On that house right there, we used to live there, I and Chef Matiko. But right now, the blocks are inside, and this room that we're seeing here, this house that we're seeing here, my people, this one, right, this one, my father built to me and Chef Matiko. We used to have another house here, right here. We used to have another house here. The house that we were here, right here, where I'm pointing, guys. The house here, the house that were here. We used to keep the goats and sheep and cows here. But the house, there were many rain. There were many rain. The house falling down, and my father decided to build this one so that the goats can stay inside. Yeah. So, and that's that place that we're seeing here, where the wall is. That's Ayamarwa and the Virginia's compound at that place. Yeah. So, guys, this is our compound, and this is our compound, the back compound. We used to live here. So, guys, I want to end my video from this side, and yeah. And I'm appreciating you for creating your time to watch my video, guys, until the end. For the new subscriber, kindly, guys, consider by subscribe to our YouTube channel, to share, like, and comment. And for returning subscriber, guys, keep watching our video until the end. For the new subscriber, go to our previous video, guys. See what when we started, watch our video until where we have reached, guys. Yeah, we love you all. Bye bye. Yeah.